Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my tutorial on Java. In this video, I will teach you the basics of socket programming. Basically, in this video, I will use the concept of client-server architecture. The application I will create will contain a client and a server. The client will send some message to a server, and the server will receive the message and then will send back the message to client. So, for this, I will need to use sockets. What is a socket? A socket is like a door to send some messages from one application to another application. And then I will need data output stream, or you can simply say an output stream. An output stream is used to send the data through a socket from one place to another. And input stream is the way of receiving the data from one place. Alright, now first of all I need to use the class named as socket. I name is as s. Now in there I have to specify the IP and port number. Alright, so here I will specify 127.0.0.1 and any port number I want, so I specify as 9999. Alright, next step is to use data output stream. Data output stream is used to send strings, or you can say to send primitive data types. So if I want to send a string, so I will need to use data output stream. As dot get output stream. Alright, I have initialized sockets, destination IP and port. Alright, and then I initialized the output stream. Now next step is to send the data. Alright, now how to send the data? I will use dos dot write utf. In here I have to specify any string which I want to send. In case I send hello world. Alright, now if I wanted to send the data in the form of bytes, I would use dos dot write. In here I, for example, if I had hello, so I convert it to get bytes. Alright, for this I need to use try catch exceptions. Now in this case I only need to pass a string. Now I need to close this. Now the client side programming has been done. Now let's move towards another class named server. So I will use my server. Now this class should contain a main method. Now in here I need, now to receive anything from a place I need to use server socket. Server socket, and on I need to pass the port number on which it will be listening. So if, as I gave 9999 in socket, so I need to specify it. Server is listening at 9999. Now the next step is to use the input stream. So in this case I need to use data input stream. New data input stream, but before that I need to use socket so that it accepts the connection. So I need to use socket to ss.accept. Now in this case server is listening to online 999. All right, now as you can see I have a server socket. The server is listening on 9999 port number, and then if a client connects to the server, this line will be called. All right, now then I need to use data input stream. Let's get input stream di. Now I need to take the input from the client. In order to take the input from the client, I need to use the method object dis dot read utf. So in here I need to use specify input from client. So I need to use case block. As you can see, I have taken the input. Now I need to specify input from client. Now you can see from client, and then I need to close the input stream. So first of all I will run the my server. As you can see, server is listening on 9999. Now when any client connects to it, let's see what happens. As you can see, we have sent the data hello world, and on server input from client hello world. Alright, this is the way of sending a message from client to server. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. In next video I will show you an advanced feature of socket programming. So just subscribe to my channel, and goodbye.